Justice Bela Trivedi retires without SCBA farewell. CJI Gavai condemns breach of tradition.
High Court, you are as clear as moonshine that institutional integrity at all levels of governance is fundamental. Beneath the gentle demeanor and the disarming smile lies your tough justice-doing mind. I think two of them seem to be very close to your heart. Satya Satya che, samay sathe tenu mahutva vade che. Two, nyaye dharam che, ane dharam vina raji aduru che. I think, I suppose these values run deeply in your mind. We're going to miss you.
Thank you, sir.
Of the one. Today we come together to bid farewell to our colleague, Honorable Justice Bela M. Trivedi. The journey of Justice Trivedi to this court is indeed a compelling story.
Lord, your father and especially your late mother would really feel proud of today. And I can share this incident with my Lord and with everyone else. I met her ladyship's mother only once. Thereafter, after almost 7 years, I had to call on a landline phone to wish her ladyship. Her mother was so sharp, she picked up the phone. I said, hello? He said, yes, Tushar, bolo. I said, do you still remember me? Look, I remember your voice also. That was the only, these are the only two instances where I had an interaction, but an amazing lady, and she would really be showering her choicest blessings to your ladyship.
One incident I want to also reflect upon and tell you about it. I remember going to in court 5, I think it was, that there was a person who was being prosecuted under the UAPA, and we wanted to move him from Karnataka to Kerala. And the verdict went against me. It was an issue of bail. So I just said out of hunch, I said, I expected your ladyship at least to have some empathy. And your ladyship said, you don't know me then. Well, we knew you before you came here, and we'll know you after you leave here. But thank you very much for all that you've done. And
With this 30 years of my journey, I have always spoken through my judgments. And the journey I had started as a judge of Citysville Court, Citysville and Sessions Court, was destined to end here and has ended with utmost satisfaction, for which I shall ever remain indebted to my esteemed parents, my family, my extended family, friends, colleagues, and my court staff members. Thanks, everybody. Words are biggest when heart is full. My heart is absolutely full with all satisfaction and contentment. My niece was asking me, Bela, what happens on the last day? What is your functions? I said, first ceremonial bench will be there, and then at 1:30, guard of honor. She said, what is guard of honor? And she's a doctor, so she would not know. Then I said, they will just give me honor like this, and then make me sit in the car. And then judges will just push the car like this. She said, Bela Masi, for you, all advocates are going to. That doesn't end here. My law clerk was there. He said, no, not only judges, lawyers, the staff members will also come. But thanks so much. It was wonderful, wonderful journey. And I'm thankful to your parents for all the good words spoken for me. Thank you.
On a personal note, when her name was doing rounds from January of 2021, I had an occasion to talk to her on several occasions and And then after elevation, I found an elder sister in her. So she only elder to me by a couple of months, but she was always a Bela M to me.
Yes, a long journey of 30 years is coming to an end.
As you embark upon a new chapter in your life, on behalf of all the judges and also the members of the bar, I wish you a long, healthy, joyful, and fulfilling life in the years that lie ahead. May this new chapter afford you the quiet joys of ample time with your cherished family and the liberty to pursue long-held personal interests with renewed vigor. Thank you very much.